Right, last session. Don't bin it, Mark. Don't bin it. Don't bin it. So yeah, this has been eye-opening, genuinely. Whereas I got to this point after my first day and I thought, I was hoping for a bit more.
Yeah.
Approaching it for what it is.
Exactly, mate.
I don't need any more. I'm certainly never, ever going to change springs and dampers and spacers and things like that because have I needed it today? And brakes, well, I've bought the fluid now, so I'm going to stick it in. But I don't think the brakes need anything. Certainly not for me around this circuit. I forgot to do the, come on, don't get DSC off. And what I am going to do before I come out next time is get another one of these, because it's really frustrating me. I'm not going to be able to look back at the footage and see the relative speeds.
Yeah.
Remember, everything's cold.
Right, watch out for this guy. He's a lunatic.
How do you know?
He overtook 3 abreast and put 2 wheels on the grass on the straight.
Okay.
So, and he was being warned for noise and everything else.
Okay.
Obviously, he's got it probably set at sport mode, so the valves are open.
Yeah. Well, no, fine.
Which is not, it sounds lovely.
I'll just sit back.
But yeah, he overtook.
And I'll follow him
on the straight. He went on the inside, put 2 wheels on the grass to overtake.
Right.
So I'm just letting you know, mate.
I'll just sit back and follow him.
Not exactly.
So he's doing what everyone does. That middle of the circuit on the exit. Very early in there.
Interesting.
Go on, floor it.
Oh, he's in the
okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Good. Yeah, you don't have to worry about him anymore.
I'm beginning. All these bugs are starting to mess with my vision.
I know.
I have to really look through them.
Yeah.
I bet this GoPro is focused on them. Tyres work around there now, so I am using more of the grip. Right, concentrate on what I want to do. Don't get drawn into him. I need to tighten up my CG log. I've got to do that, so I'm going to do that here. Get straight. That's better. Okay, I'm in.
Yes, no, yes, no. Apparently not. Yes, no, yeah. Definitely more aggressive now. That's, I can definitely feel the difference, mate.
Yeah, a bit more pace.
Yeah. Yeah, kidneys are definitely moving around.
Right, can I string a tidy one together? It looks like I've got a clear circuit. I had a good run over the line. So let's be smooth. Gently get it back for this second apex, unwind, and accelerating all the way. Then we feel the back skipping.
Yes, I did.
I'm not flat through here. I'm giving it a bit of a lift and then getting back on the power. So let it run out, covering the brake, get it straight and brake. Get down off the brakes, turn in, hit the tyre Okay, that was a bit faster than normal.
Yeah, okay, you are definitely.
Okay, yeah, that was
Enjoying
maybe
yourself.
a bit too much. That scared me.
Yeah, that
But I'm
was.
going to keep going in case this lap does turn out to be a good one.
Yeah, that was a moment. Only a split second, but that was a moment.
Yeah. But then traction off, what are you going to do?
Because obviously it goes in a slow motion. You think, which way are we going to go?
It did go really slowly. I mean, it didn't feel. It was just the first time I've had that all day.
Yeah. Oof. That moved then. Obviously you brake just on that
On the
undulation
200.
there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And it just unsettled it ever so slightly.
Okay, so that one may have been compromised a bit smoother this time. Squeeze all the way through. So not so fast into
Yeah.
no this time.
Yeah. So obviously it's smoothness rather than, everything
And actually
else.
not fight to get it back over to this side, because I was fighting to get it over because
Yeah.
I was a bit faster, the car was unsettled, and then I had some oversteer around here. I could really move the back if I wanted,
Yeah.
really. So nice.
What is that tapping noise? Is that you just
It's the throttle. When you let the throttle off,
Oh, right.
it just makes that noise.
Oh, okay. Is it just obviously where it's coming up and just banging up against the
Yeah,
stop?
there's like a stop.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, I'm not going to let off now because I don't want to ruin my lap. Okay, I reckon that's probably it for my chance at the Focus RS's lap time. Are you sure it's this guy? Because
I know. That's not that. Well, it might be a different
I could
driver.
jog quicker
Because
than
there's
this.
several different people have been driving this.
oh really?
Looks
Oh,
like it,
okay.
yeah. Because, like I say, last time he was giving
Okay.
it, unless of course he's had a really good talking to. And it's
Possibly.
like,
It could
right.
be that he's tripping the noise meters everywhere.
Yeah, well, he did get warned for noise.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, it could be a number of things.
No. M25 again.
This is quick.
Yeah, I was gonna
Really
say,
quick.
it's only a GTI. It's not a.
No,
R.
I think someone that's been out in it said I think that it's been mapped.
Oh, okay.
I have to go and talk to the owner afterwards because it's not hanging about, and he's a
No.
very tidy driver as well.
No, it's like the good old Mark 1, Mark 2. Back to the good old days of the Golf GTI.
Yeah.
Well, they're just a big
And
slug.
here we go. Let's see. Oh, see, I'm not much faster.
No, not much. Sore out the wheel there, mate.
Just trying to feel
Yeah.
where the
just
grip is.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I'm not really sorry, just moving it a little bit. How much of a corner is that? It never used to be.
No.
It just started then, didn't it?
Yeah.
but
I know. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's all right. Yeah.
wow,
So I was just thinking, you know,
what a thing!
has he got the red mist down? I'm thinking,
What a thing! My opinion on this car has changed dramatically.
well,
Like really,
it's just tuning into it because it's not a Focus RS.
I've spent the last, well, what is it now? 24th of May, 14th of March. So, like 9 weeks, 9 or 10 weeks, I spent thinking, no, it's a livable daily. It's all right on track. And that's fine. 99% of my mileage on the road, 1% on track. So I can live with its compromises. Do you know what? I take that all back. In that there are no compromises.
Yeah.
I don't know what the weight distribution is. Is it 50-50? I don't know. Maybe someone can mention it. But having the rear axle when your right foot connected, it just feels right, and so much fun. Yeah, I'm amazed that the brakes have stayed with me all day. This is standard pads and discs, but fresh fluid, and that they haven't really burned through the material. But was I getting out brakes by anyone? You know, no, this needs nothing. It wants for nothing. I'm going to keep doing it in this, but with a diff, and some proper fluid. They're good chaps, you know. The Marshalls et al.
Well, it's a thankless job, isn't it? At the end of the day,
But they do,
most of
because they
the time.
like hanging around smelling burnt brakes and tyres like we do. Like, that's the reason I come here, you know.